Dear friends, in this video, we will discuss about skills required for safety and operator training of construction plant and machinery. This is in continuation of my video, Skills Required for Construction Plant and Machinery Management. Equipment safety and operator training are critical aspects of construction plant and machinery management. Ensuring equipment safety protocols and providing comprehensive training to equipment operators are essential for maintaining a safe work environment and preventing accidents. By prioritizing equipment safety and providing comprehensive operator training, construction projects can significantly reduce the risk of accidents, injuries, and equipment damage. Well-trained operators who adhere to safety protocols contribute to a safer working environment and enhance the overall success of the project. Here are some key points related to equipment safety and operator training. A. Safety policies and procedures. B. Regulatory compliance. C. Equipment-specific training. D. Operator certification and licensing. E. Ongoing training and refresher courses. F. Hazard identification and risk assessment. G. Equipment inspections and pre-use checks. H. Communication and signaling. I. Emergency procedures. J. Safety culture promotion. A. Safety policies and procedures. Construction equipment safety policies and procedures are critical to ensuring the well-being of workers and minimizing the risk of accidents and injuries on construction sites. These policies and procedures outline the guidelines, rules, and best practices that need to be followed when operating, maintaining, and working around construction equipment. Here are some key aspects typically covered in construction equipment safety policies and procedures. 1. Training and certification. 2. Personal protective equipment (PPE). 3. Pre-operational inspections. 4. Safe operation. 5. Load capacity and stability. 6. Traffic management. 7. Maintenance and inspections. 8. Emergency procedures. 9. Operator behavior. 10. Incident reporting and investigation. Construction equipment safety policies and procedures should be communicated effectively to all workers and regularly reviewed and updated as needed. These policies play a crucial role in creating a safe working environment and preventing accidents and injuries on construction sites. B. Regulatory compliance. Construction equipment regulatory compliance refers to adhering to the laws, regulations, and standards set forth by government authorities and industry organizations regarding the design, operation, maintenance, and safety of construction equipment. Compliance ensures that equipment meets certain minimum requirements and safety standards, and failure to comply can result in legal penalties, fines, or restrictions on equipment use. Here are some key aspects of construction equipment regulatory compliance. 1. Government regulations. 2. Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA). 3. Environmental regulations. 4. Certification and standards. 5. Inspections and testing. 6. Documentation and records. 7. Training and operator qualifications. 8. Enforcement and penalties. Staying updated with the latest regulatory developments and maintaining a proactive approach to compliance is crucial for construction companies, equipment manufacturers, and equipment operators. Compliance not only ensures legal adherence but also promotes safety, environmental responsibility, and the overall reputation of the construction industry. C. Equipment-specific training. Construction equipment-specific training is designed to provide individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary to safely and effectively operate specific types of construction equipment. This training focuses on the unique characteristics, controls, and operational requirements of different types of equipment commonly used in construction, such as excavators, bulldozers, cranes, loaders, forklifts, and aerial lifts. Here are some key aspects of construction equipment-specific training. 1. Equipment familiarization. 2. Safe operating procedures. 3. Equipment operation. 4. Pre-operational inspections. 5. Equipment maintenance. 6. Hazard awareness and risk mitigation. 7. Site-specific considerations. 8. Operator responsibilities and communication. 9. Training certification. Construction equipment-specific training is typically conducted by qualified instructors with expertise in the specific equipment being trained on. The training can take various formats, including classroom sessions, practical exercises, simulations, and evaluations. It is important for construction companies and equipment operators to ensure that their personnel receive proper equipment-specific training to minimize the risk of accidents, enhance productivity, and comply with regulatory requirements. D. Operator certification and licensing. Construction equipment operator certification and licensing are processes designed to ensure that individuals have the necessary skills and knowledge to safely operate specific types of construction equipment. Certification and licensing requirements may vary by jurisdiction, but they generally involve a combination of training, testing, and documentation. Here are some key aspects of construction equipment operator certification and licensing. 1. Training programs. 2. Classroom instruction. 3. Practical training. 4. Written examinations. 5. Performance evaluations. 6. Documentation and record keeping. 7. Renewal and continuing education. 8. Regulatory compliance. Operator certification and licensing serve as evidence that individuals have the necessary skills, knowledge, and training to operate construction equipment safely and effectively. It provides assurance to employers, project owners, and regulatory authorities that operators have met recognized standards and can contribute to a safe working environment on construction sites. E. Ongoing training and refresher courses. Construction equipment ongoing training and refresher courses are essential for operators to maintain and update their skills, knowledge, and awareness of industry best practices. These training programs are designed to reinforce previous training, introduce new techniques and technologies, and address emerging safety concerns. Here are some key aspects of construction equipment ongoing training and refresher courses. 1. Regulatory updates. 2. New equipment and technologies. 3. Safety best practices. 4. Equipment maintenance and troubleshooting. 5. Skill enhancement. 6. Emergency preparedness. 7. Technology integration. 8. Industry trends and innovations. 9. Practical exercises and simulations. 10. Continuing education requirements. Ongoing training and refresher courses are crucial for construction equipment operators to stay updated, improve their skills, and maintain a high level of safety and efficiency. Employers should provide regular opportunities for operators to engage in ongoing training programs to support their professional growth and promote a culture of safety within the organization. F. Hazard identification and risk assessment. Construction equipment hazard identification and risk assessment are critical processes that help identify potential hazards associated with the operation and use of construction equipment and determine appropriate measures to mitigate those risks. Here are more details about these processes. 1. Hazard identification. 2. Risk assessment. 3. Risk mitigation strategies. 4. Operator training and competence. 5. Documentation and communication. 6. Periodic reviews and continuous improvement. By conducting thorough hazard identification and risk assessment, construction projects can proactively identify potential hazards associated with equipment operation, implement appropriate risk mitigation strategies, and create a safer work environment for equipment operators and G. Inspections and pre-use checks. Construction equipment inspections and pre-use checks are essential procedures that ensure the equipment is in safe and optimal working condition before it is operated. These inspections help identify any potential issues or hazards that may affect the safe operation of the equipment. Here are more details about construction equipment inspections and pre-use checks. 1. Pre-use inspection. 2. Components and systems. 3. Documentation and reporting. 4. Post-operation inspection. 5. Maintenance and repair. 6. Operator responsibility. 7. Regulatory compliance. Regular equipment inspections and pre-use checks are essential for maintaining a safe working environment, preventing equipment failures, and minimizing the risk of accidents. It is crucial for construction companies to establish clear inspection protocols, provide training to operators, and prioritize regular maintenance and repair activities based on the findings of inspections. H. Communication and signaling. Construction equipment communication and signaling refers to the methods and systems used to facilitate effective communication and signaling between various types of construction equipment and operators on a construction site. These communication and signaling techniques are crucial for ensuring safe and efficient operations, as well as coordination between different equipment and personnel. Here are some key aspects and methods of construction equipment communication and signaling. 1. Visual signals. 2. Audible signals. 3. Radio communication. 4. Telematics and GPS. 5. Wireless sensors and monitoring. 6. Digital signage and display systems. 7. Standardized communication protocols. Effective communication and signaling in construction equipment operations are essential for maintaining safety, preventing accidents, improving productivity, and ensuring smooth coordination among various stakeholders on a construction site. By employing a combination of visual, audible, digital, and wireless communication methods, construction companies can enhance efficiency and mitigate potential risks during construction projects. I. Emergency procedures. Construction equipment emergency procedures are essential protocols and guidelines that are put in place to ensure the safety of personnel and minimize damage in the event of an emergency involving construction equipment. These procedures outline the necessary actions to be taken by operators, workers, and supervisors when faced with emergencies such as equipment malfunction, accidents, fires, or hazardous situations. Here are some key aspects of construction equipment emergency procedures. 1. Emergency response plan. 2. Operator training. 3. Communication and alert systems. 4. Evacuation procedures. 5. First aid and medical response. 6. Fire safety. 7. Hazardous material spills. 8. Post-incident investigation. Construction equipment emergency procedures are crucial for ensuring the safety and well-being of personnel on construction sites. Regular training, drills, and updates to emergency response plans are essential to maintaining a proactive and effective emergency management system. By adhering to these procedures, construction companies can mitigate risks, respond swiftly to emergencies, and protect the health and safety of everyone involved. J. Safety culture promotion. Promoting a strong safety culture within the construction industry is vital to ensuring the well-being of workers and minimizing accidents and injuries. When it comes to construction equipment safety culture promotion, here are some key aspects to consider. 1. Leadership commitment. 2. Safety policies and procedures. 3. Training and education. 4. Equipment inspections and maintenance. 5. Reporting and incident investigation. 6. Safety incentives and recognition. 7. Regular safety meetings and toolbox talks. 8. Safety audits and inspections. 9. Safety communication. 10. Continuous improvement and feedback. Promoting a strong safety culture requires a long-term commitment and involvement from all levels of the organization. By implementing these strategies, construction companies can create an environment where safety is valued, ingrained in daily operations, and prioritized by every individual involved in equipment-related activities. Friends, we discuss skills required for construction plant and machinery safety and operator training, and we must admit that if we are not aware of our comprehensive skill set required for construction plant and machinery safety and operator training, we will be unable to make sensible decisions. These sections provide a comprehensive discussion of the essential variables involved in handling construction plant and machinery correctly. Each subskill will be covered in detail in the subsequent video. Kindly leave your comment, name, phone number, and email in the comment box. We will communicate via WhatsApp or email. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel Inframechanizer, which is completely free.